HOLO-Hydraulic PU timing belt splicing machine. After placing the synchronous belt, place the spacer plate. Adjust the position of the plate. Turn on the oil pump switch. Switch to automatic mode. Set the upper mold temperature. First, press the SET key, then press or to increase or decrease the temperature. Set the lower mold temperature. Adjust the insulation time. Click the loop button to start the device. Wait for the device to warm up. Automatically enter holding mode once the set temperature is reached. When the cooling indicator light is on, start drainage for cooling. After completion, click the loop button to raise the upper mold. Remove the plate. Check the joint effect.
Make belt manufacturing in the world simpler.